moment to give Black people their flowers. I mean, round of applause. Let's throw roses. Let's throw roses. Black people are just top tier. Anything that we touch, anything that we are a part of, it just excels into the stratosphere. So let's just take a moment to give our people what it is that is due unto them, which is all of the praise. What's up, guys? I'm Crystal Waiters. Welcome to Way to Serve Style, serving you your dose of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you're new, please make sure you are doing all of the things. Here we talk about fashion, beauty, all of the things. I'm a stylist, makeup artist, fashion model. Simply put, I'm a fashion and beauty enthusiast. Why am I having difficulty remembering my intro? If you are a fashion and beauty enthusiast, such as myself, I promise y'all I can talk. Please make sure you join the family. Guys, we have hit our milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So now we're on to our next one. That is 10,000, baby. Yes, 10,000 subscribers. So we need you to reach that goal. We got a new goal, y'all. We hit the first one. We got a new one. 10,000 subscribers. We need you. We need you, girl. So hit that like button. Hit that share button. Comment below videos you want to see from me. Follow me on all platforms. That is Way to Serve Style on Instagram, TikTok, my blog, waytoservestyle.com. Listed below, my blog features posts on tips and tricks on how to make your wardrobe work better for you, girl. Yes. And also inspirational posts. I am a devout Christian and I love to share my heart about my love for Jesus Christ and how he has blessed me and helped me, and hopefully I can help you too. So we've gotten all of that out of the way. Let's get into today's video. It's a good one. Okay. Today's video, I'm featuring my favorite Black owned brands, from accessories, shoes, clothes. This video is geared towards all things Black. Yes. So please make sure you are taking notes and check out these Black designers, because they are so bomb, and some of their pieces that I own, I get the most compliments on. Chef's kiss to all of them. Again, we're throwing roses. We're giving roses. Yes. All right, let's dive right in. Okay, first up, we're going to break this video up in two categories: clothes and accessories. First up, in terms of clothes, we are featuring Miss Hanifa Honey. Yes, indeed. I am wearing one of her pieces. I'm throwing up pictures over here because you can't see me, and also I'm not fully dressed. So, but Miss Hanifa is here, based in the DC area. She is a luxury brand owner, and she hit the stratosphere during the pandemic when she did that viral virtual fashion show that featured her pieces. And the piece that I'm wearing is one of her most recognized and iconic pieces, which is the oversized cardigan dress. I've had this dress for almost 3 years now, and it's still in great condition. We might be getting another one. I'm not quite sure which color I want, but you can wear it as a dress, wear it as a cardigan. I love this dress. It's so comfortable and it's tall girl friendly. Yes, indeed. It comes to the floor on me. And if you know me, I stand at 6 feet tall. But I love her pieces. They're very luxe. They're very fashionable. And yes, someone you need to get involved with and get to know, because her pieces, they're good, girl. They're good. On to the next. Next up is Miss Fee Noel. Yes, she is a luxury designer, and I'm not quite sure where she's based out of, but I will say I love her pieces. Her pieces are more geared towards the resort, vacation. She did a collaboration with Target, and I did not get my hands on that robe. I wanted it so bad, and it was sold out everywhere. But Fee Noel is known for her luxurious robes, her oversized wide leg pants, just the draping of it all, darling. Her pieces are very substantial, and again, they are geared towards vacation. So it puts you in the mind of Bali and, you know, lounging on the beach. I'm not a vacation person, so yeah. I love taking time off, but traveling, we're gonna get back into it one day. But in terms of her pieces, just think a yacht, lounging on the beach, but fabulous. And yeah, please get involved with her. Fee Noel, you need to know her. Indeed. Moving right along. Okay, next up is Miss Andrea Iyama, and she is a Nigerian American. I'm not quite sure if she's completely Nigerian, but I know she has a Nigerian background, and she's known for her fabulous accordion tops that I know Monroe still kills in these looks, in these tops. But she has a lot of pieces that's geared towards African American women in terms of color, featuring colors that, you know, pop on our skin, which that's any color actually. But I love her pieces. I do plan on getting my hands on that accordion top sooner than later once this low spin challenge is up. But if you haven't checked her out, please make sure you do. I know I think she has a store open in New York City. I plan on taking a trip up there sooner than later, just to do a little shopping. When I tell you this low spins challenge is challenging me, it is. But when she back and getting ready to get them pieces for the next half of the year, oh, you be ready. You had to watch, cause she gonna be ready. I can talk today. I don't know what's going on with me, but yes, Miss Andrea Iyama, please check her out. Bomb African designer, and you need to get involved. All right, moving right along. Okay, next up is Miss Sonji from Something by Sonji. I actually have a couple of her pieces. Her paper bag skirts and pants, I mean, took the fashion girlies next. Yes, several years ago, I actually saw her pieces on Monroe Steel first, and when I saw those paper bag pants, I said, how can I get involved? How can I get involved? And got the pants and also the skirt. Every single time I wear those pieces, I get so many compliments, and I just love her pieces. She's actually featured me on her website, on her Instagram page, wearing one of her pieces. And when I tell you, another one that I'm going to get involved in once this low spending is over, I want to invest in pieces that will last. And these pieces are very good quality denim that will last a lifetime. So Miss Sonji, I think she was featured on Rip the Runway, and she also has a collection with the fabulous influencer Monroe Steele, and their pieces together, girl, oh, bomb. Get involved. All right, moving right along. Okay, next up is Icon from Miss Crystal Cavalieri. I think I'm saying her name right. I believe she's based in Baltimore, and she has a fabulous boutique. If you are not following her, girl, her fashion, her style is just out of this world, and her body goals. Okay, Shop Icon, I believe it's the website, but her pieces feature. It puts you in the mind of Erykah Badu, the Afrocentric vibe, but with a modern twist, and I absolutely love it. She's a beautiful young lady, and her pieces are top tier. I can't wait to get my hands on a couple of things, and when I tell you I'm more intentional about my purchases this year and where my money is gonna go, you'd be surprised. You wait till these looks get the looking on the Instagram. Yes. ShopIcon.com, Icon with 2 C's by Miss Crystal Cavalieri. Check her out. On to the next. Okay, next up are accessories. First up is this jewelry brand called Shop Koi, and her jewelry, oh my goodness. Her jewelry I saw featured on the fabulous Alicia from I Know Lee, and it's just the most intricate, unique, a little off-center pieces that just make a statement. I would love to get my hands on some pieces, but they're always sold out. So you literally have to follow her like you are waiting for the latest Jordan to drop, because when her pieces hit, they hit and they go. So Shop, I think it's Shop Koi, excuse me. Yes, Shop Koi. Check her out. Let me know what you guys think. Moving right along. Okay, next up is another brand that was featured on I Know Lee. I've actually gotten this concept from her. I want to shout her out for popularizing Black-owned businesses, and doing videos like this has inspired me to do my own for my followers. But she has featured Alice by Angel. Alice by Angel, her handbags. And the reason why I'm looking down at my notes, but the reason why I love this brand is because her handbags are just so unique. They look like Lego blocks, or you know, little bodies of art, which is so cute. And if you have not checked her out, please make sure you do. I love her pieces, especially her handbags, and I just think they are so bomb. So Alice by Angel, let me know what you guys think. Next up is another handbag brand that I absolutely love. I actually have one of his pieces, and it is Mr. Brandon Blackwood. Yes, his handbags have just taken the world by storm. Telfar is also a black-owned luxury brand that he designed his handbags for women of color, or for women rather, to be able to afford a bit of luxury. He hit the stratosphere when Beyonce featured one of his bags in one of her Instagram posts, and his brand just took off. You literally could not get a Telfar bag. You literally had to wait until he released the specific color and get on the wait list, all kinds of stuff. But I'm featuring Brandon Blackwood because I actually don't really like the Telfar bags. I think they just look a little cheap, but I do like the idea of them. But the Brandon Blackwood bags are more my style, and I actually own one, and I absolutely love it. Let me grab it. But as you can see, Brandon Blackwood, and I just love this little bag. It goes perfectly with my dress, but this is the bag. If we can focus. There we go. It's in this iridescent purple color. My goal is to get the Brandon Blackwood bamboo bag that has the iconic bamboo earring around the front of it. And I think I want that in brown. I want a nice chocolate brown bag. But his bags, I think, are beautiful. They're very understated, but still makes a statement. So if you haven't gotten your hands on a Brandon Blackwood piece, girl, what are you doing? Get involved. Moving right along. Okay, next up, in terms of shoes, my light is blinking, so let me hurry up. Miss Kendall Miles. I love her shoes, and I hear that her shoes are very comfortable because she makes them specifically for women of color with a wider toe bed. My goal this year is to get my hands on that foxy pair of shoes that has the fox fur on the shoe. And girl, when I tell you top tier, luxury, fabulousness, yes, absolutely. Kendall Miles, girl. A beautiful young lady. I'm not quite sure where she's from. I believe it's New York City. Don't quote me. But she did a great interview with Janaea Hollolux on Style Unlocked. And she talked about her brand and how it's just really taking the girlies by storm. If you haven't gotten involved, please do. Kendall Miles. On to the next. Lastly is the brand Lorvay, which is a sunglass brand. And when I looked at these sunglasses, girl, I was floored of how dope they are. They're so unique. The frames are busted, and you absolutely need a pair, and I need a pair too. So Lorvay, I'm not quite sure of the owner's name, forgive me, but this is a black-owned sunglass brand that I wanted to feature, so please make sure you check it out. All right, guys, moving right along. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, I will make sure to tag or list below the brands that were featured in this video. Please make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe. We are on a journey to hit 10,000 subscribers, and we need you to join the family. Follow me on all platforms at Way to Serve Style. That's Instagram, TikTok, waytoservestyle.com. I think that's it. Be well, be safe, be blessed.